What's up everyone, welcome back to my new video. My name is Anthony Depana and I'm so happy and excited that finally I'm making this video and showing it to you guys. So some of you guys know me personally, but let me just tell this to all the other people who's watching my video. My love and my passion for fashion is really high. So this is my first fashion related video, and in this video I'm going to show you those top 5 outfits that you should definitely try once after this lockdown gets over completely. So in this video you will find some casual, party, office, picnic / beach wear, and also definitely an outfit which you can wear in the monsoon season. So please note that all these outfits are really basic to me, and all these outfits I want you to try at least once, and please don't judge me on the basis of the outfit, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So let's start with the first and a super simple outfit which you should definitely try. So as you can see, I'm wearing a white Henley tee because it covers your upper body so nicely that it shows how muscular you are, and this t-shirt is from H&M, and usually with a white tee people go with a lighter shade of denim. I recommend that you should try out a little dark shade from your denims with this look, and the jeans is from Gas. Don't forget to add some accessory to your outfit, like I'm wearing this simple yet classy silver watch which is from Tissot. Okay, so now let's talk about the shoes. I'm wearing the super stylish, the super cool Converse shoes. If you want, then you can add a nice flannel shirt to make this outfit look much better. And yes, this shirt is also from the brand H&M. I am from India and it's monsoon season here, so for the next outfit I want you to wear something that looks super stylish and also keeps me warm at the same time. So I wore this beige color sweatshirt from H&M which is a little bit oversized, but it looks so good. And I'm not wearing any accessories with this outfit, but if you want then you can add a silver chain or a silver ring. Now let's talk about the pants. These jogger pants are from Calvin Klein, and I love monochromatic outfits, so that's the reason I'm wearing a beige color joggers. And for the shoes, I'm wearing this super cool black and white shoes which was gifted to me on my birthday, and these shoes are from the brand Shein. I hope you like this outfit as well. As soon as this lockdown completely ends, we all know that we would be heading back to our offices to work. So if like me, are you also bored of that same boring formal outfit, then you can definitely try this outfit once. You can wear a white polo tee like this which fits you really well. This tee is from H&M, and as it's an office wear, please don't forget to add some accessories like this watch. I'm wearing that same watch from Tissot, and if you want then you can add some ring. It completely depends upon you. These pants right here are from Zara. Please don't forget to tuck in your t-shirt. And always wear a black belt to make this outfit look more classy. I like these formal shoes a lot, and these are from Zara as well. Let's start with my most favorite and a badass outfit. Well, this was the outfit I wore on my birthday. If you like, you can wear this when you're partying with your friends or on a date as well. I'm wearing this long coat which I bought from ASOS with a turtleneck from Zara. I love my watch and my ring so much that I wore them with this outfit as well. And look how good it looks. To give it a more badass look, I wore a black ripped jeans from Forever 21. The Chelsea boots are from H&M. These are the suede ones. If you want, you can wear the leather one. I wore this because I wanted a street style look. Don't forget to take good care of the shoes. These suede shoes get dirty easily. Okay, so this is the last and the final outfit, and I love the vibe of this outfit so much. Well, I know this is not the season to wear floral shirts, but this is definitely the outfit you should try once. And I think this is not the look which everyone can pull off. And also, please note that if you want to buy any type of floral shirt, then please invest in a good quality one. The shirt which I am wearing right now is from the brand H&M. These shoes, I guess these are from Forever 21. I don't really know because this was gifted to me by my brother. And the pants are from Zara. If you want, you can buy these white denim jeans or chinos. I'm wearing a white chinos. You can add some accessories if you like, and don't forget to tuck in your shirt.
So if you guys enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video as much as you can, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace.